My name is Rod Whiting, and I'm the Director of Communications and Community Engagement for Trident Health. And it has been our pleasure and an honor to partner with the YWCA and Lowcountry Acceleration Academy in the SheStrong program and helping give young students an opportunity to experience healthcare. A number of weeks ago, the students in the program toured Trident Medical Center and our sister hospital, Summerville Medical Center. There, they were able to meet physicians and other clinicians, see equipment being used, and talk to a variety of different department leaders and directors to get a better idea of where they may feel like at this point where they could fit in a career in healthcare. And I think we all recognize, especially in terms of the needs of our country, especially with an aging population, we do need that new generation of workers in healthcare. And I'd mentioned that this partnership started off with a $25,000 grant that we and our parent company, HCA Healthcare, provided to the YWCA and Lowcountry Acceleration Academy. I think it's been as much a learning experience for us as it may have been for the students. We have learned that there is more that we can do to reach out to agencies like the YWCA and Lowcountry Acceleration Academy, and our goal is to continue this partnership into the future.